What's good, fellas? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you tuning back in. This is Men's Grooming 101, episode 3. In today's video, we will be discussing the best places to pick up men's grooming products. We'll go over the overall best place, to the budget-friendly place, to the bootleg place where you find products you've never seen or heard of before. So definitely make sure you watch till the end. We're gonna be going over all that in today's video. Best overall, if you have not figured it out yet, but it's Amazon. Of course, they have a wide range of products from low end to high end and all that in between. The only downfall I've come across is a lot of times they only sell like multi-packs of certain products. So it's kind of weird, kind of random, but that's just kind of what it is on Amazon. The other thing to kind of just be careful about is sometimes when you buy products or men's grooming products from there, if they're not from the specific brand store, sometimes they're not the real deal. So keep that in mind as well. Best budget friendly, of course, it's Walmart. But there's also a second store in that category, and that's Target. Both Walmart and Target fall within that category. I will say Target's more low to mid-range with their prices, but nonetheless, they do kind of fall in there with the budget friendly. Walmart's downfall is they don't really have too many options. You know, you try whatever, maybe 3 or 4 brands that they carry there, and then you're shit out of luck. But with Target, they've stepped it up quite a bit lately. So you have plenty of options. And like I said, low end to kind of mid-range. So definitely want to check them out. Their actual display in store is on point as well. So definitely Target's a good option for you guys. High end, if we're talking high end places to pick up men's grooming products, then we're definitely gonna have to talk about Ulta. Ulta is a little pricey, but they do have solid products with a few mid-range cost of products in there as well. But just be ready to spend money if you're gonna go into Ulta. For bootleg products, you definitely have to check out Drugstores. And when I say bootleg, I'm kind of talking about more like underground products, stuff you never heard of, scents you've never heard of, like that type of stuff. I found plenty of products in drugstores that I've never seen before. You know, no Walmart, Target, online, like nothing. But I randomly will come across stuff at drugstores. So definitely a solid place if you're just kind of browsing or you got nothing to do. Go check out a drugstore and see what type of men's grooming products they do carry, because sometimes you are pleasantly surprised for sure. All right, fellas, that's about it for today's video. I appreciate you tuning back in. Those were the best places to pick up men's grooming products, and this is Men's Grooming 101, episode 3. My name's Adrian. Please don't forget, if you look good and feel good, you do good. Until next time, I'm out.